everybody. Welcome to the Traders Market Intelligence Report. This update is brought to you for Monday. That would be January 9th, 2023. I hope you're having a great day, and I hope it was a fantastic new year. Yes, this is the very first one of the year. I am excited. We've got a lot to dig into today, so we're going to do just that and jump right in. I want to start off first with our economic reports. And you can see next week we've got nothing on Monday. Powell is speaking on Tuesday. You got CPI on Wednesday, unemployment as well. And then you've got consumer sentiment with inflation expectations on Thursday, Friday actually that's going to be. All right, so we've got some big reports coming out next week, but very important, keep your eye on what Powell has to say there at 9 a.m. on Tuesday. All right, let's go and look first at the VIX, which is fear. And fear was down today. Why? The market moved down. The economic reports coming out. Things are looking good, man. Everything's moving in the right direction for today. Right? For right now, we are down. The VIX is down to $1.32. It's down to 21.14 right now. What a great VIX level. It's a really good combo. It's in our green zone right now. I like it a lot. So with that, let's go look at the S&P 500 and see what we can come up with for today. So let's drag it out, right, and go look at that much bigger picture there. We're still in that overall downtrend. Right? That overall bearish trend there. We pushed up nicely today, almost 87 points today to the upside on the S&P 500. What a great move. What a phenomenal bounce off of that 32.18. I am so excited to see that, which was a baseline. You can see we've been basing out there for about 3 weeks now, and we finally got a bounce. And I mean a bounce that was sustainable for the day, not one where we bounced up a little bit for the first 5 minutes of the open and then wham, bam, thank you, ma'am, right back down again. No, everything is looking good, right? So right now, what are we looking at on the S&P? What do I want to see? All right, we're still in a bearish pattern, right, of the market itself. We have moved into bullish territory with one exception. All three moving averages are upside down, right? I need them to flip the opposite direction to be in a true bullish bias. I also need us to get back above this downtrend line sustainably. Not for a day with a bearish candle. I need to see us get up there. We're not there yet. I'm not saying this is a bottom and we're going up from here. But right now, the news today shifted in the right direction, right, on the economic reports that came out early this morning. So we got that nice pop up. But I need to see that close above that downtrend line. Again, I'll bring it back in. Above that downtrend line is where I need it to be, okay? So what are we looking at into next week, folks? We had a big move today. No major economic reports on Monday to worry about, so we're not really going to see much in the way of that affecting the market. Earnings are starting to come out at this point, so we have some of that to deal with. Not a lot of the majors yet. I think some of the banks are announcing next week, but not a lot of the majors, the Amazons, the Apples, the Googles of the world, right? The Netflixes of the world. Not a lot of that. If we can sustain where we are and not pull back, folks, I'm happy with that. But I really want to see, as a starting point, as a place to dip your toe in the water, get me above that 39.11. That may very well become our stopping point, our failure point. The least strength we have is running into that. If we fail off of there, I'm looking for the move back to the downside. If we can get up and make that move above, I can get excited. I can get happy about that. I can get charged and potentially look at some bullish trades, right? Follow along with the pattern, with the path of the S&P 500. Remember, 70 to 80% of all stocks move in the direction of the S&P 500. Then why are you going to fight it? Just go with the flow. If the market is up today, trade to the upside. You've got a higher potential of being right in that trade. All right, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. First one of the year. Go and kick some tail next week. Have some great trades, and I will see all of you back at our next update. Bye for now. Folks, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the training. Now, if you did, be sure to give us a thumbs up and go ahead and hit the subscribe button right over here and hit the bell to keep up with all the latest trading content. And oh, did you know that we have a podcast? Supercharge your trading education with the Stock Market Millionaire, which you can find in the description down below. And while you're there, you can also find other amazing free trading resources that I've put together just for you.